Good morning, students. Dear 11th class students, today we are going to start our poem for childhood, and this poem is written by Marcus Nathan, and this poem is a very beautiful poem. Firstly, introduction about the poem. In this poem, the poet thinks over his childhood. He wonders about the moment where he lost the innocence and realized that the world is not what he seemed it to be. He recalls when his thoughts changed and he realized the hypocrisy of the people around him. He finally settled down to the idea that his childhood went to some forgotten place and is hidden in the face of an infant. So let's continue the poem. We will read stanza by stanza. First stanza. When did my childhood go? Was it the day I ceased to be 11? Was it the time I realized that hell and heaven could not be found in geography and therefore could not be? Was that the day? तो पोइट इस स्टैंजा में द पोइट वंडर्स अबाउट when his childhood came to an end. In this stanza, the poet wonders about when his childhood came to an end, and he realized that, and he asked himself, was it the day he crossed the age of 11 years? Was it the day when he realized that hell and heaven existed and yet could not be found in geography or on the map? He realized that these are imaginary places that actually do not exist in this world. So the poet wonders, was that the day when he lost his childhood? Second stanza. When did my childhood go? Was it the time I realized that adults were not all they seemed to be? They talked of love and preached of love, but did not act so lovingly. Was that the day? Preach means talked or spoken. In this stanza, the poet again repeats the same question about when did his childhood go. He wonders about the day when he started seeing the world with a new perception that adults are hypocrites and are not how they seemed to be. The adults who talked of love and preached of love and yet never behaved so lovingly. They are double-faced in reality. Was that the day when his childhood go? Yeah, was that the day he lost his child? Now third stanza. When did my childhood go? Was it when I found my mind was really mine, to use whichever way I choose, producing thoughts that were not those of other people, but my own and mine alone? Was that the day? the poet deliberates on the same question about when he lost his childhood. He asked himself about the possibilities. He wonders about the day he realized that his mind was his oven and could use it the way he wants. When he realized that he could produce his own thoughts, which were not bound by anyone, when he sensed his own individuality and a separate personality, was that the day he lost his childhood. Was that the day when he lost his childhood. Next stanza. Where did my childhood go? It went to some forgotten place that's hidden in an infant's face. That's all I know. In the last stanza, the poet analyzes about his lost childhood. He concludes that his childhood had gone to some forgotten place, which will never come back. He thinks about his innocence, which vanished now and could only be seen in a baby's face. He only has sweet memories of his childhood, which could soon fade away. He also conveyed a message that the innocence of the childhood stays till the time once an infant, and that is all he knows about his childhood. And he questioned himself, when did he lost his childhood? Was the day when he came to know about the reality of the world. Okay students, we have completed this poem and we will discuss about the question of this poem tomorrow.